Now, I took this picture off the Queensland coast a few weeks ago, and it really made me think, how can this object be 93 million miles away with these sort of angles? Now, usually you don't get these angles until later in the afternoon in most shots. I thought this was quite good. This is fairly early in the morning, but the sun is already well risen, as you can see. And to have this total pyramid look, virtually, it just to me says that this object is not 93 million miles away. Now, I noticed some people commenting on my video on the Gotthard tunnel. They're still not talking about the tunnel. They're talking about a lot of other things, but the tunnel they still have not mentioned. So let's have some debate on that video about the tunnel itself. I want to hear people talk about this. Where is the curvature on the tunnel? So I really don't care about all the things that are said until I find out about the curvature, and I'd like a good explanation of how something from 93 million miles can give us such a look here. It just doesn't seem feasible at all. Another thing you should notice too is when the sun sets, it's a shrinking amount of light. Like as it's going down, the whole sky is illuminated. But the further and further it goes down, it's just a smaller and smaller area. Now, if it was truly the Earth spinning, it should be a beam of light the whole way across the horizon. That's just another point. I'll just show you an image that shows it a little bit. Hang on a second. Yes, this image here clearly shows what I mean. See, a lot of light here, and then as we go out, dimmer and dimmer. And something 93 million miles, it should be a line of light still a lot brighter. There's just going to be darkness here very quickly. It shrinks down, pulls in as it goes. There's some other just images here. This one unfortunately is just before. It's a nice image anyway, so you might like that. And look, there's a 7 code there. Look out. With a street lamp. See, it's all centered there and none here. Should be wider scale for something 93 million miles away. Very complex issues, definitely. How does it sort of disappear in the sky down and still really be up high? But of course, that's how, if you had a plane fly at you from a distance, and I'm sure you've probably seen videos that do say that. Anyway, that's my main point in this video about the rays of the sun there. Let's just go back to that. Yeah, it just doesn't look right for 93 million miles, so I don't know what you think about that, but can you please comment about this rather than too many other issues on this video, because it's good to see people commenting about what I talk about in the video. Look at the angle there. Amazing, eh? So it really takes some explaining how something from 93 million miles, all the light rays should be going straight down. Not like that. That's my honest opinion. Correct me if I'm wrong, if you can explain how that happens.